the recording because so that you can be able to see the lecture later because you are on time. Anyway,
Sorry, ma'am.
anyway,
Thank you, ma'am.
starting with the Boolean theorem. ये तुम लोग का ये स्ट्रैटेजी है क्या कि मैंने अभी अलाउ नहीं किया, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं करने वाली हूँ, तुम लोग सब ऐसा ये सब तुम्हारा स्ट्रेटेजिकल प्लान्स है एंड देन लाइक नाउ आई एम एडमिटिंग एवरीबॉडी एंड आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग आल्सो,
नो
ऐसे
मैम।
कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान था क्या तुम लोग का?
नो मैम।
नो ना, हाँ ठीक है. Boolean theorem and laws. Okay. So let's see the Boolean theorems and laws. So here first is a dot 0 equal to 0 means any input a basically over here is any input to the given logic gate. Okay, so it is a input to the given logic gate. So if a is the given input to the logic gate, it can be anything, means it can take any value, means it can be a can be either logic 0 or logic 1. Either it can be logic 0 or it can be logic 1. So here we start with if a is 0. Then what is going to happen? 0 dot 0 will be what? 0. Because if any one of the input to the AND gate is 0, output will be 0. Dot represents AND. So you have to recollect AND definition. Similarly, if A is 1, then 1 dot 0 is also going to be 0. Okay. So that's why we make this law. If A is 0 or if it is 1, it doesn't make a difference. Anything dot 0 is always going to be 0. Understood now, all of you? Same way, next law. These laws you have to remember, memorize. It has to be by hearted. Okay? They are just like the geometrical laws. So here next is A dot 1 is A. So here if A is 0, then 0 dot 1 is 0. Because any one of the input to the AND gate is 0, output will be 0. Next, if A is 1, then 1 dot 1 gives you 1 because both the inputs to the AND gate are 0 over here. So here what is happening? If A is 0, output is 0, means similar to A. And if A is 1, output is 1, means similar to A. And that's why the law is A dot 1 will be A. Means any input dot 1 will be the value of the given input. Next, A dot A is equal to A. So here also, if A is 0, then 0 dot 0 will be 0. And if A is 1, then 1 dot 1 will be 1. So it will be the same input value. Also, next, if A dot A bar, next law is A dot A bar will be 0. Let's see how we can prove this. If A is 0, then first value is 0 dot 0 bar. So basically what is that? 0 dot 0 bar is 1. That means what? 0. Because any one of the input to AND gate is 0, output is 0. Similarly, if A is 1, then 1 dot 1 bar. What will be 1 dot 1 bar? 1 dot 1 bar is 0.
1 into 0.
So that will be what?
0.
0. So basically product of complements is 0. Because in complements, what happens if one of the value is 1, other is going to be 0. Okay. So one of the value definitely is going to be 0 because it is the complemented value and that's why the answer is 0. So these are the first 4 basic laws. We move on to the next. These are called as, first what we have seen, they are called as AND laws. Okay. Now we move on to same way OR laws. Okay. OR laws mein again we have same way 4 laws. So here again, A plus 0 is A. So here if A is 0, then 0 plus 0 will be 0. Because both the inputs to OR gate, answer will be 0. If both the inputs to OR gate are 0, answer will be 0. Similarly, if A is 1, then 1 plus 0 will be 1. Means if one of the input to AND gate OR gate is 1, then output will be also 1, that is high. So here A takes the value of the output. If A is 0, output is 0. If A is 1, output is 1. So that's why we write A plus 0 will be A. Second, A plus 1 is 1. So here if A is 0, then 0 plus 1 will be 1 because one of the input to OR gate is already 1. And if A is 1, then 1 plus 1 will be 1. Both the inputs to the OR gate are 1, so answer is 1. So here, as we have a common thing that one of the input to OR gate is 1 over here itself in the law, and that's why we get the answer as 1 over here, irrespective of the input A. Next, A plus A is A. So here if A is 0, then 0 or 0 will be 0 because both the inputs to OR gate are 0. And if A is 1, then 1 plus 1 will be 1 because both the inputs to OR gate are 1. So answer will be also 1. So it same way goes as the input. Fourth law, A plus A bar is 1 means sum of the complements is 1. So it is what obvious, if one of the input is 0, other has to be 1. And 2 OR gate, if any one of the input is 1, output will be 1. That's why sum of the complements is 1. And product of the complements is 0, which we have seen in the previous slide. So here if A is 0, then 0 plus 0 bar will be what? 0 plus 0 bar?
0 plus 1.
Very good. So it will be
1.
0 plus, this will be 1. And one of the input to OR gate is 1, answer is 1. Similarly, if A is 1, then 1 plus 1 bar will be what? 1 plus 1
1
bar
plus
is
0.
0. So that is 1. So in either cases, the answer comes as 1. Okay. So that is OR laws. So we have seen AND laws, OR laws. Now last, inversion law. Inversion law, we have a single law over here. A double complement is A. So double complement cancels each other and that's why we get back the input same as A. So here, if sorry, if A is 0, then 0 double bar will be what? Now solve for the single bar. So bar, 0 bar is what? 1. 1 bar will be what? 0. So double complement cancels each other. And if A is 1, then 1 double complement will be what? First solve the lower complement. So 1 bar is what? 0. And 0 bar will be 1. So it will be the same one. Am I clear with AND laws, OR laws, and inversion law, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving on to next, we are today going to prove the laws and I'm going to do it by method of induction because this same method we are going to use in numericals also. Okay, Boolean algebra numericals also. So this method what we are going to adopt to prove the laws, this is called as method of induction. And the same method we are going to observe and see and use it for sums also associated with Boolean algebra. So be alert. So method of induction, we are going to solve this law. So first we are going to see commutative law. So first commutative law is A dot B will be equivalent to B dot A. अभी इसका मतलब क्या है, तो प्रोडक्ट कैसे भी लो उसका वैल्यू सेम ही होगा, बिकॉज बोथ आर गिवन टू AND gates. So here basically LHS will be, we have a AND gate. First input to the AND gate is A, second input to the AND gate is B. So output over here is A dot B. You have to prove that it is equivalent to RHS. So here the diagram will be, diagram is for your explanation. This is another AND gate. So your first input is B, second input is A. So output over here will be B dot A. You have to prove that both are same. So let's see how do we prove it. So we are taking truth table. Method of induction is solved by using either truth table or by this pattern. This is also called as method of induction, where we take the law, consider the input values for all possible cases. So here, as in every law, we have single associated value of A. We have only considered two cases of the input, 0 and 1. Okay. So here also we have two inputs A, B. So how many possible combinations of inputs will be there? 4. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And that is common. So here we take first the LHS, which is A dot B. Now, whenever we say dot, it means what? AND operation. So we have to recollect the definition of AND gate. AND gate says that whenever both the inputs are high, output will be high. If any one of the input is low, output will be low. So that is the reason that 0.0 will be 0, 0.1 will be 0, 1.0 will be 0, and 1.1 will be 1. Same way, if we take RHS, RHS is nothing but B dot A. Now first you will take B. So it will be 0.0. First case, it is 0. Second, 1.0, it will be 0. Third, 0.1, it will be 0. And fourth, 1.1, which will be 1. Now, if you look at the LHS and RHS tables, they are both same. Hence, we can say, hence, law is proved. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay. So, here, LHS is, we are taking plus means OR gate. जब भी डायग्राम हम निकालते हैं, तो इधर मैं तुम्हें ये भी बता रही हूँ कि डायग्राम कैसे निकालते हैं इक्वेशंस या एक्सप्रेशंस को देख के. Okay, because we have this kind of questions. We have all these kinds of questions. Like Boolean expression will be given to you. You have to draw the diagram and all. So slowly, I'm building up that particular topic. Now here we have A plus B. So इसका diagram कैसे आएगा? Logical diagram. So A plus B means plus means OR gate. So we will consider a OR gate. So fish-like symbol, like this. Then first input to this is A. Second input to this is B. So your output is A plus B, which has to be proved that it is equivalent to the RHS, whose value will come as
B.
second gate. So here RHS, so this first input is B, second input is A, so output will be B plus A. Okay. Now over here, we have two inputs A, B. So 4 possible combinations, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So first we are going to take the LHS, A plus B. So first value 0 plus 0 will be 0. Second, 0 plus 1. One of the input is high, so output will be also high. Third, 1 plus 0 will be 1. Fourth, 1 plus 1 will be 1. So these values we got. Next, we will write down RHS, which is B plus A. Okay. Now, B plus A, we will consider first B values and then A values. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Second case, 1 plus 0 will be 1 because one of the input is high. Third, 0 plus 1 is 1. And fourth, 1 plus 1 is 1. So in this case also LHS is equivalent to RHS, and that is the reason that we can say hence law is proved. Okay, so this finishes our commutative law. All these laws you have to remember by heart because these laws are going to be used in the Boolean algebra for solving equations, for proving that LHS is equal to RHS, or for simplifying the equation. So you should know these laws properly. A dot B is equal to B dot A, or A plus B is equal to B plus A. ये सब ध्यान में रखना है. Next, associative law. So first associative law is x dot y, the whole bracket, dot z is equal to, means here first we have ANDed x and y, and then we have ANDed z along with it, which should be equivalent to y plus z is ANDed first, then it is ANDed with x. So both should be equivalent to each other. Okay. So here we will write down, first we will find, we are considering three inputs x, y, z. Okay. So three inputs. So how many possible combinations? 2 raised to 3. That is 8. So all possible combinations, I have purposely written it and kept it ready so that we don't waste time. So it goes on from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. You all very well know now how to write down all these things, students?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we will write down x dot y. We will find x dot y. What is the value? Okay. So x dot y means what? कि x और y के टेबल पे फोकस करना है. You will not focus on z. So what are we going to do is, don't focus on z. So just ignore this for time being. ठीक है? अभी x dot y पे ध्यान दो. हाँ? So इसको अभी AND करो. AND means you have to remember AND get definition. When both the inputs are high, output is high. If any one of the input is low, output is low. So this will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Clear all of you? समझा ना कैसे आया ये?
Yes, ma'am.
कि मुझे एक्सप्लेन करना है तुम्हें?
समझा.
समझा
Okay. Now we will go on for the next one. Now we will do x dot y लेंगे हम और dot z. यानी कि we will take these two tables and we will ignore x and y. इसको कंसिडर मत करो. ठीक है, ये दोनों को अभी हमें एंड करना है. हाँ, तो ध्यान देके करो. तो 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. क्योंकि लास्ट केस में ही दोनों वैल्यूज 1 है तो आउटपुट 1 आए. So this gives you your LHS value. Clear now, everybody? How do we get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Now we go on for the next. Next is RHS लेंगे हम. RHS में first we will solve the bracket term. That is y dot z. So now when we are solving y dot z, you will focus only on y and z, these values. Don't see anything else. Purposely I am making this highlight. So now y dot z उनको dot करो यानी कि and करो. So observe the values. So first is 0 dot 0, 0, 0 dot 1, 0, 0. Then 1 dot 1 is 1. Then 0, 0, 0. And last 1 dot 1 is 1. Clear all of you? Then we write down the RHS. RHS में अभी हम x dot y dot z करेंगे. So now what we will do is x dot y dot z, यानी कि we will consider this table and this block. हाँ, बाकी ये पूरा हम कंसिडर अभी फिलहाल नहीं करेंगे. फोकस ओनली ऑन x एंड y डॉट z. ठीक है, तो दोनों टेबल्स पे ध्यान दो. 0.0 0, 0.0 0, 0.0 0, 0.1 0, 1.0 0, 1.0 0, 1.0 0, 1.1 1. This is what you get. ठीक है, so now if you see the LHS and RHS, what are you getting?
Equal.
Same.
Is equal. Huh? So hence you can write hence as LHS is equal to RHS. We can say x dot y dot z is equal to x dot y dot z. क्लियर ना? तो अभी ये जो मेरा तरीका है, ये जो मैंने सॉल्व किया, ये मेथड, व्हाट डू वी कॉल दिस मेथड एज? व्हाट इज दिस मेथड कॉल्ड एज? मेथड ऑफ इंडक्शन.
Induction.
इंडक्शन मेथड. तो ध्यान में रखना. ओके, मूविंग ऑन टू सेकंड, associative law. So again here we have three values of inputs because the law is x plus y bracket plus z is equal to x plus bracket में y plus z. So we again go on in the same way. First we will solve for x plus y. Okay, now when we are solving for x plus y, don't consider z. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Clear now? How do we get this? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now x plus y plus z we will do, which will give us our LHS. So in that condition, now we will focus on x plus y and z. So this particular thing we will not consider for time being. Okay. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Clear all of you how we are getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you finding it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
Yes, ma'am.
y plus z we will solve. Okay. Now when we are solving y plus z, we are just going to focus on
मैम पता कैसे लगा? पिछले वाले में जैसे 0 1 को हम लोगों ने 0 लिखा, इसमें 0
क्या
1
क्या
को
क्या?
1
हाँ
कैसे
हाँ,
लिखा?
क्या डाउट है तुम्हारा? 0 1 को
1 कैसे लिखा? पिछले मालूम कैसे पड़ेगा? पिछले वाले में हमने सम था उसमें वैसा, तो 0 1 को फिर 0 लिखा ना हम लोगों ने.
ए तू मुझे सुन नहीं रहा है ना मेरा लेक्चर बराबर से, इसके लिए तू ऐसे डाउट पूछ रहा है ना. व्हाट इज योर नेम? मे आई नो?
नहीं, सुन रहा हूँ मैम, वो कंफ्यूज हो रहा है थोड़ा.
अरे प्लस है
पता
ना,
कैसे
प्लस
चलेगा?
यानी कि और, डॉट यानी कि एंड.
अच्छा.
तो जब भी हम डॉट करते हैं, पिछले वाले में हमने डॉट ऑपरेशन किया, तो डॉट ऑपरेशन यानी कि एंड ऑपरेशन. एंड में इफ एनी वन ऑफ द इनपुट इज लो, आउटपुट विल बी लो.
बराबर.
If all the inputs are high, output will be high. And in OR gate, if any one of the input is high, output is high.
बराबर.
ऐसे पता चले.
ओके,
समझा कि नहीं समझा अभी भी?
समझ.
यही था ना डाउट की, कुछ और था और पूछना था और मैं समझ नहीं पाई.
नहीं बराबर.
बराबर ना? ठीक है, अभी y प्लस z पे हम फोकस करेंगे। तो यहाँ पे जब ये y प्लस z कर रहे हैं तो प्लस का मतलब है हम और कर रहे हैं, तो और का डेफिनेशन दिमाग में रखने का और उसके हिसाब से इंटरप्रेट करने का। सो 0 प्लस 0 इज 0 और 0 विल बी 0, 0 प्लस 1 ये 1 आएगा, 1 1, देन 0 प्लस 0 0, 1 1 1, ठीक है। देन वी गो ऑन फॉर द लास्ट वन। That is your RHS. गलती हो गया। So x plus y plus z. So now you will focus on x okay and y plus z and do or between them. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 1 1. Now you see the LHS and RHS table. Aren't both the same?
Same.
They both are
Same, ma'am.
equal. So hence, as LHS is equal to RHS, we can say that x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. हाँ, और अभी यहाँ पे ये एक ध्यान रखना एक चीज का कि जैसे अभी ये लॉ मैंने एक्स वाई जेड के साथ लिखा, तो मैं ये एबीसी के साथ भी लिख सकती हूँ। ए प्लस बी प्लस सी विल बी इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी प्लस सी, या फिर मैं कोई और इनपुट वैल्यूज भी ले सकती हूँ, जैसे कि P प्लस क्यू प्लस आर विल बी इक्वल टू P प्लस क्यू प्लस आर। समझ में आ रहा है ना? ये लॉज है, तो ये जो आइडेंटिटीज है एक्स वाई जेड ए बी, these can take any of the notation values of the alphabet. Clear now all of you? These are all generalized laws.
Yes, ma'am.
So because इसी तरह से हम आगे यूज करने वाले हैं, इसके लिए मैंने वैसे बोला। ठीक है, अभी ये एसोसिएटिव हो गया, अभी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ। ओके, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ अभी हमें वापस प्रूव करने हैं मेथड ऑफ इंडक्शन से। सो फर्स्ट इन दैट इज वी हैव टू प्रूव A dot B plus C is A dot B plus A dot C। हाँ, तो आइदर इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं या फिर ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं। जब भी तुम लॉ लिखते हो तो तुम A डॉट B प्लस C जब भी लिख रहे हो तो आइदर तुम उसको A डॉट B प्लस A डॉट C लिखो या फिर तुम उसे AB प्लस AC भी लिख सकते हो। ओके, तो जनरली ऐसे ही होता है ना, जैसे हम प्रोडक्ट्स लिखते हैं मैथमेटिक्स में 11th 12th में जब भी हमने मैथ्स यूज किया 10th तक, तो अगर हमें प्रोडक्ट लिखना है तो हम डायरेक्टली एक्स वाई जेड लिखते थे ना, प्रोडक्ट डॉट स्पेसिफाई नहीं करते थे जनरली। तो अगर नहीं करते हो डॉट स्पेसिफाई तो भी चलेगा, वो प्रोडक्ट में ही कंसिडर किया जाएगा, बट प्लस नेगेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अंडरस्टूड ना व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So ABC are the three inputs, so we will use all three possible combination of the inputs. So it will be basically 8 combination. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So 0 0 0 से लेके 1 1 1 तक. So we first go on for A dot B. Now when we are going for A dot B, so you consider only A and B. ठीक है? So 0 0 0 0
Ma'am,
0 0, yes, 1 1.
ma'am, in this also we have to prove LHS and RHS, na? So we should take B plus C na pehle.
अरे हाँ, yes. बराबर है. Good.
थैंक यू मैम.
यानी कि अभी मैं सो रही हूँ लेक्चर में. आई एम स्लीपिंग. Okay. So we first start with the LHS expression, which I completely forgot. So first we will take B plus C. So we focus on these two columns. अच्छा, ये जो पागलपंती का कलर वो बंद कर दूं क्या? तुम लोग को इरिटेट नहीं होता है ना? मैं स्टेप वापस वापस चेंज करती रहती हूँ कलर्स. इफ यू
No, ma'am.
नो मैम.
plainly. तो ये सब क्या है? You all are able to hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
पता नहीं क्या हो गया. Okay. So we will focus only on B and C. So B plus C we are writing first. So B plus C means OR gate. So in B and C, whenever both the inputs are, when any one of the input is high, output will be high. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Clear everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now next we go on for A dot B plus C, which is the LHS. हेमाक्षी अभी बराबर है ना?
यस मैम.
हेमाक्षी, मुझे कैसे पता चला कि तुम हो करके?
पता.
अच्छा गेस किया ना मैंने.
Voice recognition.
यस मैम.
वॉइस ब्राउजर बिठा के रखा है मैंने यहाँ पे. ठीक है. नाउ A dot B plus C. So now you will focus on A and B plus C. Purposely I'm highlighting so that you are able to understand and notify the values. So now dot ऑपरेशन करना है A और B plus C कॉलम पे. तो बेसिकली ये जो पैरेलल वैल्यूज है 0 डॉट 0 प्रोसेस करना है. डॉट ऑपरेशन यानी कि एंड ऑपरेशन. एंड ऑपरेशन में when both the inputs are high or when all the inputs given to the AND gate are high, output will be high. So accordingly write down the value 0.00, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then last 1.1 है तो 1, 1.1, 1, 1.1, 1. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we go on for the RHS. Now we go on for first A dot B. First we will solve for A dot B. So we are just focusing on A and B. Dot operation means AND gate. So AND gate, when both the inputs are high, output will be high. So accordingly solve. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Last two values both are high. So 1, 1. Okay. Next we go on for the next value. A dot C. A dot C. So A dot C, we are going to focus on A and C. Okay, to see properly. 0 dot 0, 0, 0 dot 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. बराबर ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now we will go for the final value of RHS. That is A dot B plus A dot C. That means we will focus on these two tables and we will make them to undergo OR operation. We will process them with OR operations. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. When any of the input to OR gate is high, output will be high. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Now you check for the LHS and RHS value. Aren't they the same?
Same.
Yes.
Barabar na? So hence your law is proved na?
Same.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we go on for the second distributive law. A dot A plus B dot C. यहाँ पे plus operate हो रहा है B dot C पे. Okay, A plus B dot C. So it is nothing but A plus B dot A plus C. Dot gets individually operated on B and C. ठीक है? तो जैसे मुझे हिमाक्षी ने बोला है वैसे मैं फॉलो करूंगी. मैं पहले एलिमेंट के साथ स्टार्ट करती हूँ. B dot C. First we will solve. So we focus on only those two columns. Someone has unmuted. Please mute. Huh? So dot operation means AND gate. AND gate means when any one of the input is low, output will be low. If all the inputs are high, output will be high. So accordingly solve 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next we go on for the LHS equation, which is A plus B dot C. So now we will focus on A and B dot C. So we will make them undergo OR operation. First and the fourth column. A plus B dot C. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Is this clear? How do we get this value? All of you?
Yes.
Now next we are going to undergo. अभी मुझे highlight करने का जरूरत नहीं है ना. अभी तुम समझ पा रहे हो ना कि मैं कैसे पैरेलली वैल्यूज को प्रोसेस करके
हाँ मैम.
आंसर लिख रही हूँ. हाँ, तो अभी हाईलाइट करने का जरूरत नहीं है ना हर बार. अभी मैं डायरेक्टली लिख सकती हूँ ना.
हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ मैम.
Now A plus B. So you will focus on A and B. ठीक है? Plus operation means OR gate. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. ठीक है? Then A plus C. So you will focus on A and you will focus on C. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now we go for the final RHS equation. A plus B dot A plus C. That means you will focus on these two. Dot operation means AND gate. 0, 0, 0. Rest of all the conditions both are high. So output is high. So isn't LHS equivalent to RHS over here, all of you?
Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
So LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say hence proved that A plus B dot C is A plus B dot A plus C. Okay,
Yes,
moving
ma'am.
on to next. Next is now the basic all laws are over now. Huh? Maximum laws are over now. Now we start with De Morgan's theorem. This is the last part of all the laws. And then all these 2023 laws जो भी है ना, वो हम use करेंगे Boolean algebra में. And then our Boolean algebra starts. Okay. So De Morgan's theorem. De Morgan's theorem में we have two theorems. You must have seen this in mathematics also last year. And some of you must have seen in bifocal of physics also. So De Morgan's theorem. So first law is complement of sum is equal to product of complements. अभी complement of sum ये जो statement है ये हम words में that is expressions में कैसे लिखेंगे? ये जो words है वो complement of sum. So complement of sum is equal to product of complements. So here right now we are considering two inputs. So these complement of sum become sum of A and B, and product of complement become complements product of A and B. So that is how we get the expression as A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay. Now we go on for the logical diagrams. उसमें LHS A plus B the whole bar. What is this? A plus B the whole bar is which logic gate?
Or
Which logic gate it is?
or
और है कि नॉर है नॉर?
nor
इट्स
nor
नॉर.
nor.
हाँ. तो एक्चुअली हम ये कुछ इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं कि पहले तो हमने और गेट लिया और फिर हमने उसे नॉट को दिया. सो A plus B, we want complement, so we gave it to not, so we get A plus B bar. This will be equivalent to RHS. तो RHS is A bar, यानी कि मैंने A लिया, first we complemented it, and B bar, so we take B, we complemented it, and then we give it to dot. Dot means AND gate. So here we get this as A bar dot B bar. Understood the diagram now, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
ये बेसिक लॉजिक गेट से हमें एक्सप्रेशन से डायग्राम कैसे मिलता है वो है. नाउ आई विल शो यू द सिंप्लीफाइड डायग्राम. हाँ, इसका सिंप्लीफाइड डायग्राम कैसे आएगा. सिंप्लीफाइड लॉजिकल डायग्राम. तो ये जो LHS है वो बेसिकली क्या है? A प्लस बी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया यानी कि नॉर. सो बेसिकली इट इज अ नॉर गेट. A, B, and your output expression is A plus B bar. And the simplified diagram of RHS will be, this is equivalent to, this is AND only. But instead of altogether showing a NOT gate, we can just show bubbles, because bubbles give you inversion operation. So A, B first gets complemented, and that's why we get this as A bar dot B bar. So hence from this we can write, what is our LHS? What is our LHS? LHS is NOR is equal to, RHS is what? Bubbled and. Bubbled means inputs are complemented and then given to the gate. So basically NOR gate is equal to bubbled and. This is another statement of De Morgan's first law. Is this clear to everyone? Diagrammatically, समझा कि नहीं समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम बबल डांड को डायरेक्ट नैंड भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
नहीं, NAND में क्या होता है? First you give the inputs and then it gets complemented. Bubble AND is first inputs are getting complemented and then it is given to AND gate. फर्क है ना दोनों में? See, A bar dot B bar is completely different as A dot B the whole bar. दोनों अलग अलग चीज है. समझा ना अभी?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are considering, now we are going to prove this law by method of induction. We consider two inputs A, B. So combination is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So first we are going to, then we will write down A bar and B bar also. Let's लगे हाथ लिख देते हैं. Now, so A bar will be 1, 1, 0, 0. Look at the column, and B bar will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we first take the LHS. What is LHS? A plus B bar. NOR है. So what is NOR logic? A plus B bar. What is NOR? It will be 1, 0, 0, 0. बराबर ना? NOR gate. Remember na all of you?
Opposite
Yes,
of
ma'am.
all. Yes.
Opposite of OR. Then RHS over here is A bar dot B bar. तो ये जो A bar और B bar हमने पहले ही निकाल के रखा है उसका AND. So 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, 0 dot 0 is 0. Now if you look at these two columns, they both are equal. Hence the law is true. Understood all of you? De Morgan's first theorem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving on to De Morgan's second theorem. Second theorem is,
Ma'am,
बोलो.
ma'am, can you go back to the slide once again,
Yeah.
please?
तू क्या स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल रहा है क्या? मैं अपलोड करती हूँ ना मैं. आई विल अपलोड इट.
नहीं मैम, जस्ट एक बार देखना था.
ठीक है, देख. कुछ समझा नहीं है तो यू कैन जस्ट आस्क इट राइट नाउ, नो प्रॉब्लम. I don't believe in silly doubts, difficult doubts. Doubt is doubt. You can ask me anything.
हो गया मैम, थैंक यू.
Next, complement of product is equal to sum of complements. तो बेसिकली ये कैसे लिखते हैं हम अभी? जस्ट अ मोमेंट. Okay, complement of product is equal to sum of complements. Now, how do we do these things? Complement of product is equal to sum of complements. Complement of product is equal to sum of complements. इस तरह से इसको हम expressions में convert करते हैं. Because we are considering two input gate over here, this two input become AB. That is how we get the expression. So let's solve for this. De Morgan's second theorem. First, we will draw the logical diagram. ठीक है? So LHS is first A and B are given to AND gate. So A, B is the input, output over here is A dot B. And then this A dot B is given to NOT to get it complemented. So we get over here A dot B bar. This has to be proved equivalent to RHS expression, which is first we will complement A. This is A input, it gets complemented. Then we will complement B. B input, it will get complemented. And then we give it both to OR gate. So this becomes A bar plus B bar. Okay? You can have simplified diagram also. So simplified logical diagram of this will be LHS will be, now what is this? This is nothing but NAND gate. So here this is AND and a complement. So A, B are the inputs. Here this will be A dot B bar. That will be equal to, now what is this? RHS, who can tell me? Who have understood the first law will tell me now what should be the expected answer. RHS क्या गेट आएगा अभी? कैसे निकालेंगे हम इसे? नहीं पता. ये क्या था?
A and B bubbled आएगा.
ये क्या था? NOR is equal to bubbled AND. So AND gate के inputs में if we put the bubbles, which is called as bubbled AND, तो यहाँ पे वैसे ही क्या आएगा? OR gate
Bubbled OR.
bubbled OR. Very good. So we have two bubbles over here which perform the inversion operation for the inputs AB, and here output will be A bar plus B bar. So we have NAND is equal to bubbled OR gate. This is another simplified expression of your De Morgan second theorem. Okay, now we go on for proving the law by method of induction. We can consider two inputs AB. So for combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And we will write down the complement values also, A bar and B bar. Okay, so this will be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now we go on for the LHS and RHS expression. So we have the LHS expression. What is LHS expression? A dot B bar. This is NAND gate. What is this? This is NAND gate. Okay. So what is answer for NAND? Opposite of AND. If we had to take product of A dot B, it would have come what? 0, 1, 0001, right? तो NAND क्या आएगा? What will be NAND?
1000.
1110. समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
RHS is A bar plus B bar, यानी कि this and this needs to be ORed. तो इसका और क्या आएगा? 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. Now if we compare the LHS and RHS columns, aren't they the same? They
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
same. This is equal. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Hence law is proved. Hence, as LHS is equivalent to RHS, the law is proved. I hope I'm clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
समझ
ma'am.
में आया आज का सब लॉज, मेथड ऑफ
Yes,
इंडक्शन
ma'am.
कैसे
Yes,
प्रूव
ma'am.
करते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
So that completes our this part. Next part is दो मिनट है. Anyway, ठीक है.